The producer wey Junior Pope dey work for before they enter inside water come die. Abeg, I want you to hear wetin this Adamma wey be this producer, the owner of this other side of the life movie wey dey shoot. Hear wetin she talk for this video, for her outside of the story. I want you to watch and listen very careful from beginning to end and hear for your own side.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Adamma. On the 10th of April, we lost 5 of our members who were on their way to work, on their way to location, through the means of boat transportation, had an accident. I've been so traumatized. I've been so cold. This whole thing, it still feels like a dream to me. Like I just wish I can still wake up from this dream. I've not been able to make any statements since because we've been trying to recover the bodies. I've been providing for money to those looking for bodies, provided caskets, ambulance to make sure the bodies were conveyed to their villages, to the families that wanted it to be done. I've not been quiet. I've been doing this. I've been doing this just so these people can rest. It's so sad that this had to happen on my set. It's so sad. I blame myself that I would have been in Lagos doing my thing in Lagos. I blame myself for coming down to Asaba. I was supposed to be on that boat. My production manager was calling me to bring the memory card so they can start filming. And I told him to come and collect it. He said, "Mama, you know this place is far. Please just bring it for us." I said, "Okay, why haven't you people crossed? Why haven't you people gone to work?" He said they're waiting for Junior Pope to arrive. I said, "Okay." Before now, on the 9th, they went there on their own. When Junior Pope came, he came on his own. He came alone. So, on this 10th, while I was getting ready to go drop the card with them, I was accompanied with my brother's children, 2 kids that were supposed to go with me. We were supposed to be on that boat together. Getting there, I saw Emeka. Emeka was my DOP. He was just sitting. I was surprised because I didn't see others. I asked Emeka, what is it? And people surrounded him. I said, Emeka, what is it? Emeka was quiet. Emeka, talk to me. What is it? What's the problem? Why haven't you crossed? Where is Ogolo? Where is everybody? Has JP come? He was quiet. I started shouting. What's happening? Somebody talk to me. Emeka now said, JP, don't go. Abigail, don't go. Friday, don't go. Olati, don't go. Precious, don't go. Ha! I still don't understand what he meant by that. I said, Emeka, what do you mean don't go? Don't go where? Don't go where? Like they are not shooting again? He said they inside water. They inside water. I said no. Let me go. Let me go and look for them. They started holding me. They started holding me that I should not go. I said, let me go. Let me be there. Let me be sure the divers are looking for them. They said no, that there are over 50 divers inside the water looking for them. Hey, God. I still can't believe this. I still can't believe this because these crew members were my family. They've been working with me in Lagos. If I'm shooting in Lagos, they will transport from Adamma to Lagos to come and work with me. All through last year, we stayed together in Lagos. We were filming, working together. This is my first time working with JP. It's my first time filming with JP. He's my friend. The wife is my friend too. I talked to the wife sometime, and that was when she gave JP the phone and said, why aren't you giving my husband work? JP said, Ada, you be my friend, why you know they give me work? I told JP that, you know you, my action film they shoot. I hardly do action. He said, no, say they do love story or they do other things. That's why he's an artist now. I said, yeah, that's true that. I forgot that as an artist you can do other things. So okay, don't worry.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please, you don't hear wetin this our sister talk, kindly drop your own opinion for inside comment section. The family of this our brother, may God give you people heart to take this loss. It's no easy. I understand the feeling of the woman right now, but what I pray is that God is going to give you the heart to endure. Junior, if Junior Pope is gone, he can't even cry, shock, everything cannot bring him back. The only thing the wife will do, please take care of your children. Stay alive for your children. That is my advice I'm going to give to the wife. May God console all your family, give you heart to take the loss.